What is up, everybody? It is your baby girl Priscilla back at again with a new video, and today I am filming on my camera on my phone because my camera died and I'm charging it currently. So today, as you guys can see from the title up above, I'm doing another unboxing. I do a lot of unboxings because I honestly love watching them, and my unboxing videos do really well sometimes. So today I'm going to be doing a jewelry RocksBox unboxing. And if you guys don't know what RocksBox jewelry is, RocksBox jewelry is a company that gives you jewelry, but it's only for the meantime, so you only get to use it for about a month and you'd send it back, so that's cool. The link is going to be down below, and you guys could use my code so you guys could get the first month free, and you still will get 21 credits. So this is not sponsored, by the way. I am going to be opening it up right now because I filmed this like 3 times and I've been crazy to like see what's in there. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so opening it up, oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't have a big jewelry collection because most of my jewelry got oxidized, and I'm probably gonna purchase something from here. Ooh, look. Okay, let's read this card. Welcome to the RocksBox family. Also, you can cancel anytime, so that's really cool. Your first box, hand selected by your personal stylist. So it does ask you what type of like stuff you like, and you know what jewelry you like. And your first box, you do get to choose what jewelry you want to see first in the box. So yeah, your $21 monthly credit is available for the first to last day of every month. So when you pay $21 for the box, after you get the box, you do get that for a monthly credit. So that monthly credit goes towards whatever jewelry you want to like buy. So that's really cool. I think that's really cool. So, oh my god, this is so cute, guys. Okay, so you have to take care of your jewelry so like it doesn't really like turn dusty. Avoid contacts with water, perfume, and other chemicals. Oh, look, you guys, it comes in like this soft bag. That is so cute. Let's open up this first bag. I think this is the ring. Let's open it up. I'm checking out the necklace. I picked a lightning bolt necklace. This is really pretty. So let's open it up. This is a lightning bolt necklace in gold. This is by Sophia Harper. So these are really good brands. This is how it looks like. Okay, so that's the necklace. Okay, I finally took it off after a long time. The retailing price is $55, and they kind of like discount it. Like when you buy it on their site, it's $46. Next, I think these are the earrings. Oh my god. Okay, so I got some Sophia Harper crystal studs in silver. These are the studs. You guys can barely see them. Oh my god, look at the studs, y'all. Okay, so let me tell you guys the price. The retailing price is $45, and they give you a discount, so the discount is $38. This is so pretty. Okay, let me show you guys. So those are the earrings. Okay, so the ring comes in this. I don't know why. So this is how the ring looks like. I did not know what my size was in ring. So pretty. This retails for $40, and I got $6 off, so basically it is $34 if I buy it. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Okay, so I do want to talk about the prices real quick because I know some of you guys are going nuts about it. So when I say they cost like $38 or $32, it's only for the people who don't have these products in their subscription box. If you do receive these products in your subscription box like me, I do not have to pay that much money. I could like use my 21 credits so I could purchase this item, and it could turn into like $5, $7, $10, which I think is really swell. I did get my first box free, and I still got my 21 credits, which was cool. And I did have to take like a survey and what I wanted for my box, which I got $5 extra off. So I do have a link down below if you guys want to get your first box free and try it out and see if you guys like anything. So like I said, those prices aren't the real prices for me, but they are the real prices for people who want to buy them that don't have it in their box. This ring cost me $3 if I want to buy it, and these earrings cost me $7 if I want to buy it right now. So yeah, if you guys want to try it out, link is down below. I recommend. That's that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go check it out. Go get the first box free. Go do that. It's really cool and really fun and really really cool because you do get like credits and you can buy it towards the items that you really like. So go do that, honey. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe and comment down below what other unboxing video or what other video you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later.